Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on plus icon at the bottom left corner and tap on one of your photos right away. You can also select the gallery icon on the left. Select your photos from here and then tap on Add at the top right corner to attach them. Lastly, you can always click on the same gallery icon, but this time instead of selecting your pictures, click on Folders. Now you can tap on Images filter at the top. Select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources, like Downloads. Wherever you decided, after locating your photos, hold the chosen one and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!